Emailing, probably one of the most powerful ways of communicating in the professional world. Hi my friends, my name is Mehar Sindhu Batra. I'm your career coach and mentor here to help you accelerate your career. As you can see from the title of this video, I will be sharing some emailing tips with you. These are tips and tricks I wish I knew when I was starting my career. So today I'm going to sit and discuss the do's and don'ts of a professional email with you. So grab your notebook, pen and snacks before we get started because this is going to be an important video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like and share this video with your friends if you find it useful. So today I will be talking about what exactly is an email, the anatomy or the breakdown of a professional email, some do's and don'ts to keep in mind, some example phrases, and some basic rules we all need to follow. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. So my friends, first of all, what exactly is an email? An email is a professional way of using digital media, a written form of communication, both inside and outside the workplace. Why it's used so widely across the world is because of its speed, cost, efficiency, and accuracy. You can use an email for various purposes. Some of them could be for sending a cover letter, applying for a job, giving feedback, saying thank you to your colleagues, writing a fan mail, or just regularly catching up with the daily to-dos. When writing an email, my friends, we must take our time because it is truly worth the effort to draft an email properly and then proofread it. A careful, clear, and dedicated message in an email has more effect and a greater impact than one that is written in a hurry. In the long run, the formality of an email helps you develop stronger professional relationships. I have also made a separate video on written communication that you can check out here. So let's jump into the anatomy or the breakdown, the components of a great professional email. So the different elements of an email are, my friends, the subject line, the salutation or greeting, the body or the message of the email, the closing, and the signature. The first thing that the reader is going to see is the subject line of your email, and how you frame the words of those subject line is going to determine whether the email is read, trashed or archived. The subject line should be easily understandable and introduce the topic of the email to the receiver, briefly and simply. Some of the examples of a subject line could be summary of our next meeting, our next steps, suggestions for XYZ, following up on this, scheduling a call or a meeting on this, request for appointment, a call to action for the next meeting, job application for a position at a company. The better you frame the subject line, my friends, the faster the receiver will read your email or want to read your email. The second element / component of an email is the salutation or the greeting. Pick a timeless greeting, my friend. A greeting should be timeless and shouldn't show when it was sent. So if you say good morning at the beginning of your email and the person reads it in the evening, that wouldn't make sense. So greetings for the day or dear XYZ sounds much better. After the salutation or the greeting comes the body of the email. And here you have to start with the first opening line, which has to be impactful and proper. Because on a usual day, my friends, people receive hundreds of emails. So nobody has a time or capacity to be reading long messages that you send. You need to keep it simple and brief. So try to limit the length of your email to 3 paragraphs. You can even decide to use bullet points to make the text more legible. And if you have too much information, my friends, it's just easier to pick up the phone and talk to the person directly. Some of the opening lines for the body of the email could be, allow me to introduce myself. I hope you're doing well. I hope this email finds you well. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you're having a good week. Thank you for reaching out to me. It's always so nice to hear from you. Thank you for the quick response. Thank you for the update. Thank you for the reminder. My friends, if you're finding this video useful, you have to check out my free ebook on email etiquettes that you can download with the link below. So grab your copy now. Within the body, I would really recommend, my friends, that you use professional fonts and don't make it too colorful. It's a professional email being sent to a work colleague or potential work colleague, right? So stick to basic fonts and professional fonts such as Arial, Times New Roman, or my personal favorite, Verdana. The standard font color for an email should be black unless you want to highlight a particular word. You can even use bold and italics in different ways. Let's say you want to attach something to the email. You can say something like, please find the attached document for your reference. Or here's a copy of the document you asked for. Or I'm sending you the file as a PDF. Please take a look at the attached document and let me know what you think. And after the body of the email, my friends, comes a closing. This is where you end the email with a greeting. So some kind of sign-offs for you could be, looking forward to hearing more from you about XYZ. Have a great day, weekend or trip. Looking forward to hearing back from you. I will wait for your thoughts on the above in the next few days. Warm regards, kind regards, best regards, and your name. One important tip is, my friends, please make sure to proofread the email again and again before sending it out. Check for errors, grammatical mistakes, or the most common common error saying that you have an attached file and not attaching the document at all. Firstly, my friends, be careful about the tone of your email. You don't want to sound sarcastic, rude or aggressive. Keep things professional. The second is, my friends, please remember that an email is a professional record of what you are saying. It is permanent and cannot be withdrawn once you've said it or sent it out. The third mistake is, my friends, that I actually made myself while I was working in a full-time role was when I was trying to reply to one person and accidentally pressed reply all, and the email went to the whole company. So before sending the email out, just check the recipients one last time. Make sure everyone receiving the email will actually benefit from reading it or are the actual recipient. Next, please do not say high priority in every email. Use that selectively only for the very important stuff. And another tip is, my friends, please make sure that every email you send out has a clear call to action. What are the next steps that are expected from you or from the reader? And lastly, please don't include too much information in your email. Be concise and to the point. If you can't concise it or summarize it, please just make a phone call instead. So a few words that you should totally be avoiding in an email, my friends, are words like maybe, whatever, probably, sorry. There are other and more professional ways of using those same words. Another word that I feel is very overused is the word think. I think we should do it this way. I think we should have done that. It just shows that you yourself are unsure about the thing that you are proposing. So instead of saying the word think, say something like in my opinion, or according to my analysis, according to my thinking, according to my research. Also, don't say the word sorry too much. If you are at fault, say something like I apologize for the same. I apologize for the delay in getting back to you. There are many more tips, tricks, do's, don'ts, phrases and words that you will find in my free ebook that you can download using the link below. To conclude, my friends, emails are a very vital part of our professional life, and their importance will only increase in the years to come. It does become better with practice, but following these simple rules will really help you amp up the way you send your emails. Emails are also legal proofs, as I said, so you have to make sure they present you in the best possible manner. I hope this was useful for you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you the best way I can. I'll be back soon with another one, but until then, keep communicating well, practicing hard, and working hard towards your goals. I hope to see you soon. Bye.